Instagram on Chrome browser. So if you want to log in Instagram on your Chrome browser, then simply open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And once you're here on the browser, you need to go with Instagram.com or simply search for Instagram and then go with www.instagram.com, and it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter the phone number, username, or email address on the first blank and then go with password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your credentials, then you can also log in with your Facebook if you've logged in to your Facebook on your browser. But if you've not logged in and if you don't remember your password, then go for forgotten your password and you'll be able to reset or recover your password. But if you remember, simply enter your passwords and the credentials and click on login. Once you click on login, you'll be logged into your account. So that's how you can log into your account on Instagram on your Chrome browser. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.